What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Dummy Tech Talks. This one's kind of a funny one because, well, it's our 99th video, but we're filming it after the 100th.
Yeah.
So it's kind of funny. That is actually the 100th video, that computer. That's his computer. But we're going to modify it in this one with a EZDIY-FAB vertical mount for the GPU.
But to see what we put in this thing and where it came from,
A little more explanation.
look at the video next week.
Yes. So get subscribed if you want to see that.
Yeah.
It's a case that doesn't support it from the factory, but because they make these, we are going to do it anyway. It's really cool because that graphics card has like LED fans and stuff. It's exciting. I'm excited.
Are you ready? You ready to do this?
I'm ready.
All right. Well, people, here we go. Blue. There you go.
That's
that simple.
Yeah.
Kind of neat seeing how it works. For some reason in my head, I was thinking what was going to happen is the motherboard was going to have to turn or something. I don't know. That was really simple. And who was it by?
EZDIY-FAB.
Huh.
We'll put a link in the description.
Yeah.
After next week, I'll be able to put a link in the top right of this video to that computer build.
The thing though is, it kind of sits
Kind of crooked.
Kind of crooked. So there's a screw there holding it, plastic screw. So you know,
Yeah,
like it's freaked out.
Screw. It's nothing bad.
It's just holding pressure. It's just because of the wires, though, right? The
Yeah,
wires, they're real stiff.
the riser cable isn't lined up perfectly with where the GPU plugs in and where it would plug in on the motherboard, so it's a little off kilter. But as you can see, it looks fine.
Yeah, it looks
looks
great.
really good.
It looks awesome.
The cooling fans on that GPU, they're not all like this, but they're horizontal. So it's going to blow straight from the front fans through the fins because they're like this rather than this. It'll blow straight through them and be good to go. That GPU has a function on it that keeps the fans off unless it needs them on.
Mm-hmm.
So you might see a lot of non-moving fans unless you're
neat.
aiming pretty hard. Heck yeah.
And and another thing, just so y'all know, whoever gets this or tries it, the ports on your whatever you hook up to your GPU are inside the case now.
Yeah, your HDMI's, display ports, and you have DVI, which this one does actually.
They're about, from where you plug them in before, they're about that far inside the case.
This is why we left the front panel, or the front panel off, the side panel off. I'm sorry.
So I can plug in everything,
Yeah.
which is kind of still easy. I mean, you can just push the cord in there and boom.
Yeah, and they don't line up. So, like I say by line up, they're not horizontal anymore. Now they're flipped vertically. So
Yeah.
you have to put it in horizontally, flip it, and then plug it in.
Yeah, but you know.
I'm sure it's a 1 second process.
Yeah.
We haven't tried.
And
but
you might be able to buy adapters for it, so you don't have to do that.
I know they make them. We've got
Yeah,
some.
so there you go.
They're great.
Heck yeah! Well,
I'm excited to see
me
it.
too,
We're
me
gonna
too.
end this video and go check it out.
yeah, hit that
So-
like button if y'all like this video.
Heck yeah, don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell if you want to see more content. Actually, do it anyway because we're gonna release this computer build next week.
And share.
Please.
We'll see y'all next time.
Heck yeah.